What's good, guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you are doing great. Like always, I'm in a good mood. I hope you are too. So today we're going to try and make a beat on the slowest tempo inside of FL Studio as possible. I can't go any lower than that. I already got some sounds loaded up, super fire sounds. Like it really has like that ambient vibe to it from Contact and one sound from Scorch. Okay, let's just start on D. Just some simple chords. Let's copy that over and then 5 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bro, the metronome is just like, bro, this is taking forever. Bro, that's crazy. So we might need to like rearrange the chords a little bit so that way it's not like waiting. So I just want to try and like make a little bounce with this. Yeah. We might as well make the whole beat in like one bar, bro. I think there's no point of me of just like doing this and copying this over because, bro, the metronome is just like... Let's just copy this over and layer this. I want to go like dun 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 dun. Option S to strum it. Like that. Yeah, I don't want to stand back. I added some RC20 to this like sort of piano sound, also some Valhalla vintage verb and delay. To like the main sound, I added some reverb and some super VHS. To the piano, what we can do is copy over the same effects from the first piano and copy it over. I really love the bounce of this melody. Sure. We can maybe like add a flute. Ooh, let's do that. I just want it like at the end. Woo, my baby. That's fire. Just copy that over. I'll just do like that. Maybe the volume up. Yeah, it's just simple. Add some pancake as well. Make it move. Even the pancake is super slow, bro. What the hell? We need to bump this up. Let's do a little bit slower. Ooh, that could be a nice like hit sound. Put this on Sanctuary. Shit. Let's add some delay to this as well. I like to put this on like Ghost maybe. It really gives like that crazy effect. Let's put the feedback down as well. Oh, that's beautiful. Maybe reverse this. Ooh, that's some nice texture for in the background. Let's cut some highs out of it. Let's just do it like this. All right, time to add the drums, bro. We made this sample super fast, like 15 minutes. Using my new drum kit. Whoa, damn. Look at this. Copy this over as well. There's like no option for the grid to like slice even tighter. I can't make the grid like smaller. So I just need to do it while hearing it. Let's just like do the hi-hats in double time as well, because it's pissing me off. But the thing is, I need to like do it manually because there's no like lock on the grid. I pray to God that this is good. Yeah. Shit. It literally does not want me to chop this. Like, I'm going all different ways, bro. It's not chopping anything. Another roll right here. Shit. I got this. Alright, let's pitch everything up. See how that sounds. Ooh, I like that snare. Let's just like layer this. I like that snare layered with the clap. And let's do something crazy right here. I kind of like this. Ah, that's hard. That's a nut there. I'm going crazy on this one, bro. Holy. From now on, you're only going to see me like make beats at 10 BPM, bro. This is how you make a beat on 10 BPM inside of FL Studio, the lowest BPM you can go. Hope you enjoyed it. I hope you especially learned from this. Make sure to check out my other videos as well. And I'm active on social media as well at Skana Beats. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace.